Be quiet, class. Take a seat. Take a seat. Elena, be quiet or it's more homework. Yes, Miss Zari. Now. Teacher Shy? Hi, class. I'm new here. Today we're going to learn our timetables. Boring. I know, right? I feel like we're in kindergarten.
Bonjour tout le monde.
Bonjour, Monsieur le Martelot.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about the letter A.
Forget about this class. Let's take a nap.
Alors, je vous donne un exemple. Un parc préféré en France, c'est le parc de l'acclimatation.
Where in the world are we? What's going on? Look, there's the math teacher. Can you help us figure out how we... Shut up, I have no time. Hi, how are you doing? Can I help you? We were in French class. We fell asleep, but when we woke up, the whole class was exactly empty. I see. You're new here. What do you mean? You're in your dream. You're stuck here forever. Mwahahaha. Do you believe her? I don't know.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Bonjour. Bien.
Hi girls, I'm so excited to see you. That's for you.
Thank you. Do you know what happened? Why the school is so empty? The English teacher told us that we were in our dream. And the math teacher told us we were stuck here forever.
The only thing I have to tell you is live every day as if it was your last. Woo!
Oh. Look, it's the English teacher. Let's ask her for help. Oh, hello. Do you want to leave? Yes! You have 3 chances to get this riddle right. And if you get it right, you can get out of this dream. Are you ready? Yes! Okay. Here's the riddle. What can you catch but never throw? A ball? No! A feeling? No! Be careful. You only have 1 chance left.
Elena! Why aren't they waking up?
Hi, this is Jay Tarper with CBC with some breaking news. Turns out that virus that was probably nothing is something we should be worried about. It's spreading globally among children, and scientists say it's known as the boredom virus. It's believed to cause students to get so bored that they get stuck in their dreams. In other news, the president is a lizard, but more on that tomorrow.
What are we gonna do? We have 1 chance left. Oh, I know! It's so cold! Yes, 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 yes! We're free!
That's for you. Bravo! affected by the virus of boredom. Apparently, you don't like my class.
No, we like it, but it's just that we already know what you're teaching us.
Maybe I can give 100 homeworks and lessons?
No, thanks. I think we need to pay more attention. Let's get out of here.
Guys, stay in your spots. Stay in your spots. This is what we're gonna do, all right? So.
Come in!
Oh no! Look who's ruined our shots! The culprit!
Hi. Person! Forget about this class. Let's take a nap. Okay.
Great. Now, here, so start back right there. Start back. Sorry. You were still rolling.
Wait, do I say it?
No. Rolling and.
So, where do I look?
Empty. Exactly empty.
Shoulders up. Like, I want to see angry face. Let me see the angry.
Wait, I have to say my